Next topic, guys, is Uber launches new safety features for drivers. So, let's look at that. Uber announces big driver safety features updates. Shout out to the Rideshare Guy. They did basically an exclusive interview with people at Uber. So, this is an exclusive interview. So go check them out.
Passenger behavior and driver behavior as well. So what better way than, have some evidence to protect yourself against certain...
So basically what they're doing, guys, is they're going to start recording audio and video.
If there was a safety incident that they want to report to us, then they could attach that audio file with that ticket and they would send it to us. And then we would be able to decrypt that audio. We would be able to listen to it and we would be able to make a determination.
This is actually really good for driver deactivations because I know this is for safety, but I really hope that if a passenger says, oh, my driver said something creepy to me, you could be like, no, I have the audio file to prove that I didn't say anything bad.
Yeah.
Because or if it was I know so many people say they got deactivated and their passenger said they were driving under the influence.
Yeah.
And if you have audio recording of you talking totally fine, I feel like that would help a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're obviously slurring your words. But anyways, that's a pretty cool feature, pretty cool update, guys. Just wanted to make that. And yeah, let's move on.